Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Please remember to give me a little like, and subscribe for other awesome content. All right, now guys, I'm gonna make a simple corn cake or cornbread recipe. All right, let's get straight into the video. I'm gonna start off with 3 eggs. I'm gonna add 3/4 cup sugar, and I'm gonna whisk this. Now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon vanilla, half teaspoon almond extract or half cup. Just gonna add a little bit of zest to it, guys. About half teaspoon. I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon salt. I have half teaspoon nutmeg and half teaspoon cinnamon. And then I'm just gonna sieve this. I have 1 cup of 2% milk. I'm gonna add half first. So I got a can of corn, whole corn, sweet corn, and I just puree it a little bit. All right, and I use about 3/4 can. Give me about 3/4 cups, almost a cup. And I'm gonna pour this in like medium speed, just a little mix. And now guys, I can add the rest of my milk, and I'm gonna add my cup of cornmeal. And you want to get the refined cornmeal, prefer Grace cornmeal or any refined cornmeal of your choice. And I have half cup of oil. Okay, now what you want to do, you want to use your spatula and you want to fold this in, guys. This is how you're gonna get it soft and moist. All right guys, that's it. You don't want to over mix it. That's good enough. Can you see the pieces of corn? Yes. All right, and I'm just gonna grease my pan, and I'm gonna add a piece of grease-proof paper to the bottom. And I preheat my oven at 350, and I'm gonna bake it for about 45 to 50 minutes. And I'm gonna pour it in. That's it, guys. Now guys, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of shredded coconut. You can add almond slice, whatever you want. I'm just gonna, for decoration purposes, just gonna sprinkle a little bit on top. And I'm gonna pop this in, and then I'll come back. Moving the sides so I can take it out. Guys, this is the final result. Love upon me, and I love upon you.